In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a ranking system in Google Sheets, a practical tool for anyone looking to organize data in a meaningful way. Creating a ranking system can help you quickly identify top performers, prioritize tasks, or sort any set of data according to its size or importance. Let's dive right in and tackle this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to open a new Google Sheet. If you don't have a sheet open already, simply head over to Google Drive and create one. Make sure your data is sorted in a column format so that we can work through it efficiently. For today's example, imagine you have a list of scores in column C that you wish to rank. Once your sheet is ready, click on cell D4. This is where we will insert our ranking formula. By clicking here, you're setting up the space designated for the rank output. It's essential to choose the appropriate cell for your formula to ensure the ranks align correctly with your data points. Now that you're in cell D4, it's time to input the magic formula. Type in the following: equals rank open parenthesis C4, $, C $4, colon $, C $7, 0 close parenthesis. This formula uses Google Sheets' built-in rank function. Each element of the formula has its role. The C4 indicates the first value you want to rank, while C4, C7 sets the range of all scores you're comparing within. The 0 at the end specifies that you want the rank to be in descending order, meaning the highest score will get ranked number 1. Once you've typed in the formula, hit the Enter key. By doing this, you'll see the ranking for the first data point appear in cell D4. Double-check this number against your data to ensure the formula is functioning as intended. It should reflect the position of that particular score in relation to the others. Next, we want to extend this ranking formula to the other scores without manually typing it in each corresponding cell. This is where the autofill feature comes in handy. Click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the D4 cell, hold, and drag it down through the remaining cells in column D that align with your score data in column C. Google Sheets intelligently applies the formula to each row, adjusting references automatically to rank each score. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a functional ranking system right within Google Sheets. This efficient method allows you to quickly see where each entry stands within your dataset, enabling faster decision-making and analysis. Feel free to explore further with other data types or experiment with ascending ranks by tweaking the formula slightly. Thanks for watching, and happy ranking!